Hi students, today we are discussing the area discounted cash flow techniques and NPV is also discussed now. So discounted cash flow techniques, also known as present value techniques and time adjusted techniques. In case of discounted cash flow techniques, it consider time value of money. In case of traditional techniques, we just considered the inflows. It was not converted into present value, but here we will consider the time value. So we will discount the values using present value factors, and the discounting factor used is KO, overall cost of capital, or WACC, weighted average cost of capital. This is the factor used in case of project evaluation techniques or capital budgeting. And the important discounted cash flow techniques includes NPV, net present value, PI, profitability index or benefit cost ratio, internal rate of return, terminal value method, etc. Okay, we are proceeding to the first one, NPV, net present value method. It is used for evaluating mutually exclusive projects. If there are two projects, one is to be accepted and other to be rejected. In this case, generally we will use the technique NPV. Okay, then NPV, it is the calculated using the equation NPV is equal to present value of inflows minus present value of outflows. All the inflows are to be converted into present values. The total is present value of inflows minus present value of outflows. It should not be converted into present value because the amount of 1 rupee current year will be 1 rupee, so it need not be converted into present values. Okay, then PV is equal to present value is equal to PVF into inflows. All the inflows are multiplied with the present value factors, then we will get a present value. Okay, if NPV is positive, we accept the project. If the NPV value is negative, we reject the project. Okay, NPV. For example, I am giving you one question. Cost of a project is rupees 5 lakhs. Cost of the project is 5 lakhs. Annual inflows are given. Calculate NPV at 10% rate of return. Here, firstly, we will provide 3 columns: inflows, PVF and PV. Okay, inflows are already given 2 lakhs. Then we will represent the PVF. I am giving PVF only as an example, 0.90. Then when we multiply 2 lakhs with 0.90, we will get 1,80,000. Then next 2,40,000 into 0.80, 1,92,000. Likewise, we will show all the inflows and present value factors. Then we will get present value. Then the total PV of inflows, we will total the PV of inflows. It is 6,18,000. It is called PV of inflows. Then NPV is equal to 6,18,000 minus 5 lakh is the PV of outflows, cost of the project. Okay, 6,18,000 minus 5 lakhs is equal to 1,18,000. Okay. Another example. If cost of the project is 4 lakhs, average annual inflows are 1,50,000 for 5 years. We are getting uniform inflow and it is 1,50,000 for 5 years. Okay, PVFA for 5 years at the rate of 10% is 3.625. Find NPV. ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ കഴിഞ്ഞ പ്രവൃത്തി ചെയ്ത പോലെ എല്ലാ വർഷവും 1,50,000 ദെൻ PVF, PV ഇങ്ങനെ കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യേണ്ട ആവശ്യമില്ല. പകരം PV of inflows can be calculated as inflows into PVFA. Here inflows is 1,50,000. So NPV is equal to 1,50,000 into PVFA 3.625 minus PV of outflows 4 lakhs. Okay, simple ആയിട്ട് ഒറ്റ സ്റ്റേജിൽ തന്നെ കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാവുന്നതാണ്. You need not show each year inflow, PVF, PV, etc. Just show the annual inflow into PVFA, that is PV of inflows minus 4 lakhs PV of outflows. This is how NPV is calculated if inflows are uniform. Okay, I am giving you one example. If cost of a project is 25 lakhs, annual cash flows are 6 lakhs, 11 lakhs, 8 lakhs, 9 lakhs and 8 lakhs. NRR, that is the rate of return for finding the PVF, that is cost of capital, then calculate NPV. Okay, thank you.